How to save $2,500 on repairs. So I am representing some clients on the sale of their home. The buyer got the inspections, gave us the roof inspection, and there was $5,000 worth of repairs. And reviewing the report, I was like, I think there's something we can get done here. So I forwarded the report to the builder. The home is less than 10 years old. In the course of them reviewing the report, they did come back and said, yeah, we're supposed to be taking care of at least 50% of these repairs. That just saved my clients $2,500. So it pays to hire experience because, the agent that you hire may know this, may not know this. It's huge. Have a powerful day.